What's up guys? Welcome to my channel mrcargeniusera. So guys, from my thumbnail you probably figured out what I'll be talking about. Today I'll be showing you a 20th century icon, a British sports car manufactured by Jaguar Cars Limited. It's Jaguar E-Type. Check it out. Awesome, right? This car is one of the best classic car made by Jaguar Cars Limited. If you search anywhere, still this car will remain at the top. Did you know that on release, Enzo Ferrari made an remarkable statement? He said, "This is the most beautiful car ever made. Just hang on to no more." Let's know its specifications first. It had TOHC inline XK engine, which is 3.8 liter and was produced in 1961. This was later transformed into 4.2 liter in 2013. This engine produced a maximum speed of 246 km/h. Class sports car. It also had the ephemeral layout. Little side note, ephemeral layout is the layout where the engine is located behind the front axle. This increased the stability of the car and improved handling. Speaking of its design, I would also say it's a very gorgeous car. It is a rigid design, and the front subframe with engine and bodywork are bolted directly to the body top. Independent suspensions were not familiar at that time, still, it was used in this car and spurred industry-wide changes. The interior contains full hand-stitched leather seats and rock and pinion steering wheel. Looking deep into the interior, we can see that it contains whatever you would wish in a classic car, except that it has a lot of buttons. At first I thought it might be a disadvantage, but hey, it's a classic car, right? What's wrong? The first series of the E-Type was considered the purest and most desirable of all. The 3.8 liter 1961 Series 1 was priced above $250,000. The 4.8 liter 1975 Series 1 was priced about $170,000. It was worth it due to the high performance it produced. At first, 18 cars were planned, but only 12 has been made. From where 2 were low drag variants and the rest crashed and were beyond repair. That's why low drag variant ones are very rare today. This car was based on the D-Type, which won 24-hour Loma for 3 consecutive years, 1955, 1956 and 1957. After their success at Loma, Jaguar intended to build a road-going sports car and then rose the concept versions E1A, E2A and E-Type Concept 0. Gradually in 1961, this Jaguar E-Type was built. What a history! Thanks for watching. Do not leave without subscribing. If you want to know more, stay tuned.